Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Stay seated.
Court is back in session.
People against Wagrecki. Kathleen Ann Wagrecki, 21T707073. Your name?
Kathleen Ann Wagrecki.
Good morning, Judge Massengate, preparing that Mr. Wagrecki.
All right, so what are we doing on this one?
Judge, it says sentencing, but I've looked at the ROA. You already sentenced Mr. Wagrecki back in 2001.
Yeah, I know.
Probation order in the file.
I know, but I revoked her release, forfeited her bond.
Back in January. But according to Mr. Wagrecki, you sentenced her to drug court at that time.
I tried to help her. She didn't want to help. She didn't want to have any help. Let me just check something.
Sure.
Lisa, I believe I revoked her HIDA status.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on January 3rd, and then you wanted her screened again.
Yeah, and then I set a sentencing date for January 24th. I tried to talk to her.
Then she didn't appear.
Correct, January 14th. Failed to appear for chemical tests and subsequent failed to appear for probation appointment. January 13, revoked her release, forfeited the bond pending a hearing. So, yeah, when I revoked the HIDA status, it's time to be sentenced anew. So, first of all, she can explain to me and to us why she decided just not to show up.
Sure.
I'm gonna be completely honest.
No.
Yeah. In January, I was still on drugs
You're kidding.
and I wasn't taking anything serious.
Oh, jeez, that's too bad.
And I recently, in March, I got off all of my prescription medications.
You what?
In March, I got off all of my prescription medications. One was a narcotic, and I had been trying to eat and stay clean since March. And I just got a job recently when I got out of county, and I wanted to put this behind you.
I wanted to be president. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not real. You cannot, don't throw those crocodile tears
I'm
at
not
me.
trying to, I'm just scared. And
Well, you should be scared. You should be scared. You have been not a very good mother. Okay? I tried to help you.
I know you did. Thank you for.
You didn't want any help. If I gave you another chance, you still wouldn't want help. No.
Please give me one more chance.
No, 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 no. I begged you. I remember this woman. I begged you to turn your life around, to try to be a good mother. We would try to help you, get you into sobriety / drug court, and you wanted nothing to do with it. You wanted absolutely nothing to do with that. So please, save it for somebody else. If I sound harsh, I'm not apologizing. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. We have children we bring into this world. And the main reason the world's messed up like it is because a good percentage of people are just simply lousy parents or don't care or a combination thereof. We don't leave our children with our mother. That's not who they want raising them, and they're a lot more smart than we give them credit for. I don't care if they're 19, 9, or 9 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me a first page of a register. I mean, I remember having this conversation with you and your mother. And I gotta tell you, sometimes I know I'm spitting into the wind. I know it. I know it. I know I'm spitting, and sometimes it's like a 75-mile-per-hour wind coming back at me. But I don't want any regrets. I want to give everybody an opportunity, and I don't want taking anything that I did to my grave with me or dealing with my conscience as to why I didn't help. And I begged you. How many days credit do you have coming?
Judge, I believe there was already 3 days in the file.
Yeah, I know. Who was your probation officer again? I need Emily on this. Bring Emily in here on this.
Judge, the mother would like to address the court.
I don't know why.
She's the victim in this case.
I know she
I
is.
understand.
Come on up here. Yeah, but she's, come on up.
Yeah, just move back.
She's on the way.
How old are you?
27.
Your name?
Joyce Anna.
What would you like to tell me?
I've been through a lot with this child, and I've tried everything, and I even pleaded with you to help me get her help, to get her straightened
We
around.
tried.
And
I only have so many resources here.
so I definitely understand that. I want you to do what you feel is best for her, to get her straightened around. I am raising her 2 kids.
I know. You were then, you have been, and you're going to for the foreseeable future.
And me and her father are doing the best we can. I don't know nothing about jail. I don't know if it's good, bad.
I don't think any of us want to visit there.
No, I don't.
I mean, I remember going in there when I was a lawyer, and I couldn't stand going in those little cubicles with those guys. Their breasts stunk, they stunk.
And I will not take my grandchildren there to see her, if that's the case.
Your name?
Emily Casino.
You got anything to say on her?
I haven't seen her since she showed up for her bond conditions and she didn't do one thing.
I know. Lisa, do you have, how many days credit does she have coming? Can you tell me? Well, I don't want to listen to anything you have to say, Mr. Gay.
I'm sorry, as far as credit, I know she told me that she was incarcerated she just got out, I believe, on Tuesday. She was incarcerated for 5 days.
Yeah, in my case, I arraigned her on May 16th. When did you get out?
First day, Your Honor.
Today's
Today's the 22nd.
The
so she
20th.
got out the 20th. So she's got 5 days credit coming from that. And she's got 8 days credit total coming, I think. I don't see anything else. They're gonna cancel the bond conditions out, Lisa. I begged you. I remember this one. I'm not gonna feel sorry for you. What has she got, 8?
That's all, I do remember she was in custody when she got referred for sobriety court, but I don't see anything in the file to tell me how long she was, if I'm honest. So I don't wanna guess.
How much does she owe, Lisa? Can you tell me?
600.
She can have that paid today, Judge.
Sometimes people force us to do things we don't want to do. You need to straighten out your life. 200 fines, 300 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 6 1/4 in 60 days. You'll pay 30 more, or you'll serve 30 more if you don't pay your fines. Credit 8, so she's going to serve 52 days. If she pays her 6 1/4 today, you have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. I wish you would have listened to me. Good luck. Have a seat.
No, you're gonna have to see her.